Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie.
For this week video, we're going to cook my one pan-seared pork liempo and buttered vegetables. We need a dash of salt, white pepper, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon vinegar, meat mallet, tongs, turner, 3 pieces pork liempo, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, chopping board, cling wrap, and a pan. Pat dry your pork, not in the video, and pound your meat on both sides. Mix the vinegar, salt, white pepper, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. Mix this until paste consistency. Brush the marinade on both sides of your pork liempo. Sear your pork liempo for 15 minutes per side. Medium to high heat for 1 minute and low to medium heat for 40 minutes per side. Cooking time may vary according to meat, cuts, and size. And set this aside. For buttered vegetables, I'm going to use TESCO Farmhouse mixed vegetables. This is 1 kilogram. Portion the veggies according to your family's consumption. We need 300 grams TESCO Farmhouse mixed vegetables, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 small red onion minced, dash of salt, white pepper, Spanish paprika, and cayenne pepper. Preheat the same pan. Add your butter. Sauté your garlic and onion. Notice that I put my garlic first because I want that bit burnt flavor of garlic to my veggies. To to know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add your TESCO Farmhouse mixed vegetables. TESCO is a good brand and it has been in the market for a very long time. Now it is available here. This is not a paid endorsement. I just like to share this with you for easier and healthier food for your family. Aside from cooking this in one pan, you can cook the pork ahead of time and reheat it before serving. Seasoned with a dash of salt, white pepper, Spanish paprika, and cayenne pepper. Cook it for 4 minutes in medium to high heat. You may put your pan-seared liempo on top. Our finished product, pan-seared pork liempo and buttered vegetables.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. It's official. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.